Hey guys, just want to give you a quick update from my N20 engine timing chain issue. Last year I went to BMW dealer and they basically tried to sell me some shit instead of fixing the problem. You can find that video on my channel and I will post link in description as well. Here's how my timing chain looked like a couple months ago. It was very loose. Couple weeks ago, beside the usual whining noise, I heard some weird noise and engine light came on. I went to my local independent mechanic who's familiar with BMW engines and timing chain issue in N20. Here's what he gave me back. And here's how my new timing chain and guide look like. As you can see, there is very little movement. Now I learned about lawsuit and settlement with BMW North America. I will post link to settlement in description as well for US viewers, and I will advise to carefully review it and see if you are eligible for reimbursement. Since I am in Canada, I contacted BMW Canada about it, and here is their reply.
Thank you for contacting BMW Canada regarding your 2014 BMW 328i. Please be advised that BMW Canada is a separate corporate entity from BMW North America. Although Canada is part of North America, it is important to note that BMW North America is a bit of a misnomer. BMW North America is responsible only for BMW vehicles produced for the US market and does not oversee or own BMW Canada in any way. As such, and extended warranties and recalls provided by BMW North America do not apply to Canadian BMWs. Furthermore, much like recalls, any component-specific extended warranties provided by BMW Canada are Vehicle Identification Number, VIN specific, based on factors such as production dates, part affected, etc. Therefore, not every vehicle of the same year and model will be subject to the same extended warranties. Our records indicate that your vehicle did receive a limited part extended warranty for the engine timing and oil pump, valid up to June 14, 2021 or 112,000 kilometers, whichever should come first. Please note that you may file a reimbursement claim for previously completed repairs at your preferred authorized BMW service center. Please note that only expenses for original BMW parts and labor are reimbursable. Costs for labor completed at a third-party service center will not be reimbursed. Also, a refund will not be provided for non-BMW parts. We hope you find this information helpful. If you have any further questions, please contact the Customer Interaction Center at 1-800-567-2691. Again, thank you for contacting BMW. Sincerely, BMW Canada.
Basically, that settlement does not apply to Canadians. Sorry to my Canadian friends.